Let's talk about the biggest DIY project in the world, hosting on Oz. If you are a tech-savvy person, you have probably looked at AWS to pricing and thought, wait a minute, I can get a T3 medium instance for half the price of Kinsta. Why am I paying for managed hosting? It is a tempting thought. AWS powers Netflix, it powers Facebook, it is the gold standard. But here is the truth. AWS is not a hosting company, it is a hardware company. When you buy an EC instance, you aren't buying a house. You are buying a pile of lumber and a bag of cement. I am going to explain why cutting out the middleman usually ends in disaster for business owners. Click the link in the description right now. That link takes you to Kinsta. I want you to open it because Kinsta is built on Google Cloud, which is the only network that rivals Oz in power, but Kinsta actually manages it for you. Open that link, and let's talk about the bus factor. Open the link. Okay, here is the reality of self-hosting on AWS. When you spin up that EC instance, it is empty. You have to install the operating system, you have to install PHP, you have to configure Nginx, you have to set up the MySQL database. You have to configure the firewall rules so hackers don't get in. And you have to keep it all updated. Forever. If a new security vulnerability comes out for Linux at 3 a.m. on a Saturday, AWS doesn't patch it for you. You have to patch it. If you are on vacation and your server runs out of disk space, your site crashes, Oz doesn't care. It is your machine. This is the bus factor. If you, the one person who knows how the server is configured, get hit by a bus or bus get the flu, your business is dead. Nobody else knows how to fix it. You have created a single point of failure, yourself. Now, look at Kinsta. Kinsta runs on Google Cloud. It is the same enterprise-grade infrastructure as AWS. But Kinsta is a team of hundreds of engineers who watch that server 24/7. Asterisk they update the OS. Asterisk they patch the security holes. Asterisk they configure the caching. Asterisk they back up the data. You are paying Kinsta to be the safety net. You are paying them so that you can go on vacation and not worrying about sudo apt-get update. So, go back to that link in the description. Unless you are a certified DevOps engineer who enjoys working on weekends, do not host on raw AWS. It is not cheaper. By the time you pay for a control panel, a backup service, and your own hourly rate, Oz is the most expensive hosting in the world. Click the link, get the power of the cloud without the headache of the command line, and let the experts manage the machine. I'll see you in the next video.